In this problem we have to rationalize the denominator and then simplify. So we're going to have problem number 23. Number 23 is 13 over square root of 2. Remember, it's considered simplified when you don't have radicals on the denominator. That's one of them, of the rules, you know, among others. But the one that it works here is get rid of the square root, and we already went through this in class. So multiply by radical 2 in both parts, and then multiply across. This is 13 square root of 2, which is perfectly fine to leave the radical on top. This one is the square root of 4. 2 times 2 is 4. So it's 13 square root of 2 over 2. And that's the answer for number 23. Number 24 is the square root of 81 over 20. So let's separate these two. The square root of 81 over square root of 20. 81 is a perfect square root, is 9. 20 is not perfect, but we can break it down as 4 times 5. So this is 9 over square root of 4 is 2, and square root of 2 stays there. Sorry, it's 4 times 5. It's 4 times 5, so this is 5. In this case, we need to repeat the process from the previous example, multiplying by radical 5 in both parts. Multiply across, and we have 9 radical 5 over 2 square root of 25. Because 5 times 5 is 25. So it's 9 radical 5 over 2 times 5. The answer is 9 radical 5 over 2 times 5 is 10. That's the answer for number 24. Number 25, let me use another color. Number 25, we have 147 x to the third power over y to the fifth power. Everything is inside the square root. So let's separate this. The square root of 147 x to the third power over, I can write down x to the second power times x. Then this one I can write it down as a y to the 4 times y. So 147 is not perfect, but we can break down 147 and write it as 49 times 3. So we're going to have 49 times 3, 49x squared times 3x over y to the 4th goes out as a y squared times the square root of y. On top we have 7x square root of 3x over y squared square root of y. Oops, square root of y. We're not done because we have a square root on the bottom, so we need to multiply top and bottom by square root of y. So we have the y is going to go up inside with this one is 7x times the square root of 3xy over, this is y squared square root of y squared. So it's 7x the square root of 3xy over y to the third power. This is y squared times y, which is going to be y to the third power. Let me go here. 7x square root of 3xy over y cubed, and that's the answer for number 25.